Have you ever wondered why you're not getting a lot of views on YouTube? Have you ever wondered why so many people are getting thousands of views and you only getting 2 or 3 views? You feeling like you're doing something wrong? Sometimes you might not be doing anything wrong. You might just be doing the things that YouTube say you can't do. That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that you can do to grow your YouTube channel. Because if you do these 3 things, and especially if you do number 2, the YouTube algorithm will love you and your channel will grow. So let's get into it. So many people, like I just said, are not getting as many views as they feel they should have because they're doing great videos, but nobody's watching. They're doing great videos, but YouTube is not pushing those videos out. But something that you're doing, you're not doing it in the correct way. So what can you do to make YouTube push those videos out and the algorithm will love you? If you do this, you will find out that your YouTube channel will grow exponentially. So let's go into your YouTube studio, because if you go into your YouTube studio and check out your algorithm that's specifically pertains to you, the algorithm, you'll find that in your analytics. So let's go over here. In the analytics, I'll make this smaller. In the analytics, you see right here, analytics? You click on the analytics, because if you're in your dashboard, you can click on the analytics, and it starts out with the overview. You get the overview of your channel, that tells you, okay, how's your channel doing? We have it on 28 days now. So in the overview for the 28 days, you'll see how many views you got, how many watch time hours you got in 28 days, and how many subscribers you got in 28 days. But we're not going to talk about that now. We're talking about your audience. What do you need to do to have your channel grow the way you want your channel to grow? What you have to do? You have to find out what is the algorithm saying about your channel. So what the algorithm is saying about your channel. How many returning views you have, how many unique views that you have, how many subscribers that you have accomplished in 28 days. That's cool. But that's not telling you, who is watching your videos? Why are they watching your videos? When are they watching your videos? How do they respond when they watch your videos? That's why we went to the analytics, going to the audience. That's the people that's watching your videos. And if you come down here, this is when your viewers are watching your videos. This is the times when the viewers can watch your videos, because this algorithm takes hold of everybody who watched your videos before and find out when are they watching videos. As we see here, it goes from Sunday to Saturday, from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m., 24 hours. And as you see in these purple grids, it's light up here, and then it goes down and get darker. As it gets darker, that means your people that's in your algorithm system is watching your videos. So it says, if it's light, that means fewer of your viewers are watching on YouTube at 1 a.m. At 6 or 7 a.m., you got some of your viewers watching on YouTube. You got some viewers on watching. But if you go down here on Monday, 12 noon, very many, I like the word they put in, very many of your viewers are on YouTube. So if they're on YouTube, when should you post your videos? When very many of them are on YouTube, right? That's when you should post your videos. When there's a lot of people watching on YouTube, not just your videos, just for them being on YouTube. Because from Sunday to Sunday, as you see, this is my time channel. My viewers are on YouTube on Monday from 12 noon to 9 p.m. That's when most of the viewers are on. On Tuesday, most of my viewers are on from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. On Wednesday, most of my viewers are on from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. As you can see, as it goes over, Everything that's shaded in the dark purple, that's when the viewers are on watching, not just my channel, but just watching videos on YouTube. That's how your algorithm for your channel can tell you when your viewers are on. Not only tell you when your viewers are on, when are they on watching your videos. That's one thing, how to get the algorithm to love you. Because the algorithm telling you your viewers are on at 12 p.m. Why are you posting your videos at 2 a.m.? Why are you posting your videos at 5 a.m.? I'm telling you they're on at 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Why aren't you posting your videos in between there? You want to post it when you want to post it at 4 a.m., 7 in the morning. The algorithm is talking to you, but you're not listening. You got to listen to what the algorithm is saying about your channel, because the algorithm will love you if you listen to what it's telling you to do. And once you do it, it'll push your videos out. The second thing to make the algorithm love you, understand your demographics. Who's watching your videos? You're still in the analytics section. Analytics section is telling you the age and gender of the people that's watching your videos in the last 28 days. 35% are female and 64% are male. Those are the people that are watching your videos. You got more males watching your videos than females. So maybe you should formulate your videos, 64% of the video, have it geared toward men. Most of the people watching my videos are aged between 35 and 44. It's 27% of them. 27% of the people watching my videos are aged 35 to 44. It's on the analytics. And once you read the analytics and they're telling you the age group of people watching your videos, that's what you gear toward. The second age group that's watching the videos is between 45 and 54. Between 45 and 54 years old, they're watching the videos. And then the third group, the highest number group, is 25 to 34. So in reality, from 25 to 54, that age group is watching my videos. Most of them is 35 to 44, but in that age group, those are the people that's watching the videos on my channel. Now, for the algorithm to love you, you're going to gear your videos toward those people. You want to gear it toward those people. Those are three things that can help your channel grow. Knowing what time to post your videos. You see it here. It's telling you. The algorithm is telling you what time to post your videos. You post the videos where it's heavily shaded purple, people want to watch your videos. If you know you got more males watching your videos than females, they're going to watch your videos because you're gearing it toward them. And if you know the age group of people watching your videos between 25 and 54, you're going to gear your videos toward that age group. Those are the three things that you should know, and how you should formulate your videos and make those videos for those people, the demographics of the people that's watching your videos. That's how the algorithm will love your channel. So, like I always say, I'm going to keep the video about 10 minutes long. I'm pretty sure we're about 10 minutes in. And I want you to understand, if you have any questions or comments, leave in the comment section what you think about how to get YouTube algorithm to love your channel. Because you can do this. It just shows you the analytics. You can do this. I showed you what to do in your YouTube studio to get the analytics of your channel so you can have your channel grow exponentially. So, like I always say, leave a comment in the comment section if this video has been a blessing to you. And if you want some feedback, leave a comment. Because this is my life, this is my experience, this is my time. God bless.